Good morning, children. Today we will start chapter 5 Factors and Multiples. In this chapter, we understand the concept of factor, find the factor of a number by multiplication, factorization by division, and draw the factor tree for a number. Find common factor of a two given numbers. Understand the divisibility test for 2, 3, 5, 9 and 10. Understand the concept of multiples and find the common multiples of given two numbers. First, I will explain you about factors. What is factor? Factor is a number is exactly divisible by a number if the remainder of a division is 0. The factor number is completely divided by a number, then the remainder is 0. It means these are the factor of a number. Now we find out the factors by multiplication. Means first we multiply the number with number to factor. Find the factor of 28. 28, we want 28. 1, we can divide 28. 2, 14 times 28. 3, it is not divide completely. 3 does not divide 28 completely. 4, 7 times 28. 5 does not divide 28 completely. 6 also does not divide 28 completely. Then 7 into 4, 28. We stop here. We have to find out the factor up to here repeated the factors. See, 7, 4 into 7, 7 into 4. Here we stop. Then the 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28 are the factor of 28. The factor of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. In this, 1 is a factor of every number and the factor will be equal or less than the number. All the factors of a number will be less than the number. Let's continue. Find out the factors by division method. One example, 21. This is on page number 102. 21 divided by 1 is equal to 21. 21 divided by 2, not exactly divisible. 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Then 21 divided by 4 divided by 5 divided by 6 is not exactly divisible. Now 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. The repeat started, factors repeated. 3, 7 and 7, 3. The factor of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. The 1 is a factor of every number and a number has only a limited number of factors. Now I will explain you the find out the factor by factor tree. Factor tree method. In this factor tree, how you can find out? You have to write the example 24. 24 you know the 24 come in table of 12. 12 2s are 24. Then 2 is we cannot divide. Only with a 1 we can divide. Now 12 also come in 6 2s are 12. This 2 we bring down. Now 6 we can write further factor. Then 3 2s are 6. This 2 also carried down. This 2 also. Here the factor of 24 are 3 2 2 2. we will multiply these number, then we get the 24. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24. If you want to another way also, you will get the same answer. You know the table of 3. 3 8 the 24. In 3 you carry down, then 8 you can further write the factor 4 to the 8, then 2 carried down, then 4, 2 to the 4. Look here, 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 are the factor of 24. Now we can find out the common factor. First we have to find out the factor of a given number. When the two numbers are there, then you can find out the common factor. Here example 12 and 15. First you have to write the factor of 12. 12 comes in by table 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. This way you have to write the factor of both the numbers. Then you look common. 1 is common in numbers. Then 3. The common factor is equal to 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are the common factor of 12 and 15. This way you can find out common factors. Let's continue divisibility test. Divisibility test for 2. In your book is given, the number is given, you have to find out it is divisible by 2 or not. You have to see the ones place number. In this, ones place is 2 and another number 986 is 6. You have to see if the ones place having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. It means it divisible by 2. So 7842 is divisible by 2. 986 also divisible by 2. Now divisibility test for 5. For the 5, we have to see the ones place is 0 and 5. If 5 is there and 0 is there, it means it is divisible by 5. Here 7925, 4860, both the numbers are divisible by 5. Another divisibility test for 10. For the 10, you have to see the ones place is 0. If 0 is there, it means that number is divisible by 10. Here 3490, then 78,820, 480, all the numbers are divisible by 10. Another divisibility test for 3. For that 3, the number is said to be divisible by 3 if the sum of digits of the number, the sum of the digit of the number is divisible by 3. For example, 71832. We add all the digits. 7 plus 1 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2 is equal to 21. 21 is divisible by 3. So 71,382 is divisible by 3. Same way you can find out the divisibility test for 9 also. Here 18234 is equal to, you have to add the number 1 plus 8 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 18. 18 is divisible by 9. So 18,234 is divisible by 9. This way you can find out divisibility test. Let's continue multiples. How we can find out multiples. When we multiply a number with the other number, we get the multiples. For example, 3 into 1, 3, 3 multiplied by 2, 6, 3 multiplied by 3, 9, 3 multiplied by 4, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12 are the multiples of 2. Multiples of 3. Multiples of a number are greater than or equal to the number. A number can have an unlimited number of multiples. We can find out multiples by multiplying other number. Common multiples. Example 2 and 6. We have to find out the common multiples of a number 2 and 6. First we write the multiples of 2, means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Now we can find out the common multiple. See, look here, 6, 6 is a common multiple. Then 12, 12 also 6 and 12 is a common multiple of 2 and 6.